Well, I've gone and done it. I dropped my measuring tool that I use for sharpening teeth, or used for measuring the set on teeth. When I tighten, it shows that it's, well, out of range. It needs to be somewhere in the middle, so the teeth will have to get run through the setter. But in the meantime, when I let go, it's hard to do with one hand holding the camera, but when I let go, you'll see that the needle doesn't change. Meaning something is stuck inside. Now, if I take this and just turn it a little bit, see how it goes back? Well, it goes back to zero, basically. Yeah, so I'm not sure what the problem is there. I mean, I dropped it twice, actually. And I find if I turn it this way and then put it on and measure the set of the teeth, tighten it down, and then when I back off on this, the needle will go back. So I think when I dropped the shaft in here, might have got bent a little bit, because this, I can pull this out. Oop, see? And put it back in. I don't think I'm supposed to be able to pull that out. See, even when I push that, it sticks. When I push it again, yeah, it sticks. But if I turn it, it pops out. So somewhere it's rubbing in there somewhere. Yeah. So looking for advice, if anybody knows. I've taken the back off. Everything seems to be working. All the springs are where they should be, and nothing seems to be out of place. So I think it's this here, as it travels through here, there's some friction that's occurring. Yep, so if you got any advice, hit me up in the comments below. And I mean, I'll probably just end up having to buy one of these, but I wouldn't even know where to start, where to get one. I know to buy a whole brand new thing, they're like $250, $270, crazy numbers. So I'm hoping even if I can just buy one of these, I'll do that instead.